to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Chai Karak. This is a very easy recipe that I have here. So you need only 1 tea bag, cardamom, honey, milk, and the water is boiling now. So let's get started with the tea making. Now follow me to the first station is where we're gonna put the tea water. Then put carefully, very carefully, because this water might burn you, so you have to put carefully, and you have to put a half. So this is a half tea. After, you need to get into the next station where we put the cardamom. Then, the third thing is to put the honey. Put only 1 teaspoon of honey to make it sweet. This is very healthy, guys. You must use honey in your tea. You put the honey, and after you put the honey, you froth the milk. See if that's still. Then you press the button, and now your milk is frothing. Now your milk is frothed. Now what you need to do is pour carefully the milk into your tea. Now you've got your own Chai Karak. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. And this actually I hope I was helpful today. And also, if you need any help, just comment down below what you need help with when you're making your Chai Karak. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell. And I'll see you next time. Much love. God bless you all.